What if I told you that right now, hidden across the internet, there are powerful AI tools that can work, write, edit, design, and even earn while you sleep. And the best part? You can use them completely free. Most people have no idea these tools even exist. But today, you're going to discover the 7 secret AI tools that can turn your ideas into real income. Step by step, stay with me till the end, because the last one might completely change the way you work forever. Tool 1, Zapier. Imagine automating every boring, repetitive task in your day, but without writing a single line of code. Zapier connects all your favorite apps, Gmail, Notion, Slack, Excel, and thousands more, so that when something happens in one app, another action automatically triggers somewhere else. New email, automatic reply sent. Customer feedback form, personalized response delivered. It's invisible automation, working silently in the background, so you can focus on what really matters. Tool 2, Google AI Studio. This AI doesn't just answer questions, it sees what's on your screen and guides you in real time. Imagine struggling with a spreadsheet and your AI literally walks you through every step, right there with you. It's like having your own digital coach, ready to help with anything from Excel formulas to workflow optimization. The best part? It's only getting smarter. Soon, it might not just guide you, it might do the work for you. Tool 3, ChatGPT. You've heard of it, but you've never seen it like this. With new features like the Canvas workspace, ChatGPT can now write, edit, and redesign entire projects interactively. It can reason, plan, analyze data, and even understand your files, images, and notes. Upload your documents, and it learns your context. Ask questions, and it responds like a creative partner that actually knows your work. And with Sora, its newest evolution, you can generate cinematic videos from text descriptions in seconds. It's not just an assistant anymore, it's the brain of your digital future. Tool 4, Udio. Ever wanted to create music that feels alive? Now you can. With Udio, you describe the vibe, and it builds your song from scratch. Pop, cinematic, lo-fi, rap. Anything you imagine. It writes, arranges, and produces it instantly. Want to add your own lyrics or change the melody? You can. Want it longer or more intense? Just say so. In a few seconds, your imagination becomes a fully produced track, ready to publish, sell, or share. Tool 5, ElevenLabs. This is the voice behind the AI revolution. ElevenLabs creates voices so realistic, you'd swear they're human. Perfect for content creators, narrators, or entrepreneurs who want a professional sound fast. You can generate new voices, translate your words into any language, or even clone your own voice with breathtaking accuracy. It's not just speech synthesis, it's voice identity. Tool 6, Perplexity AI. Think of this as search, reimagined. Instead of endless ads and irrelevant results, Perplexity gives you direct, verified answers from trusted academic and online sources. Every answer comes with citations. Transparent, credible, and fast. It's research without the noise. Perfect for content creation, fact-checking, or learning something deeply accurate. Final tool, Descript. If you create videos or podcasts, this one changes everything. Descript lets you edit video and audio as easily as typing in a Word document. Delete mistakes, cut pauses, rewrite your script, and your video updates instantly. You can even generate new dialogue in your own cloned voice, enhance sound quality with one click, and automatically add captions for every language. It's like having an entire production studio inside your laptop. These aren't just AI tools, they're the 5 steps to building real digital freedom in 2025. Automation, intelligence, creation, voice, vision. The tools are ready. The only question is, are you ready to use them? Try them out, explore their power, and watch what happens when AI starts working for you. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe, because the next video will show you exactly how to build a business using only AI.